Terror begins again.
What is up, YouTubers? John's the Challenges here, and welcome back to my Pokemon Violet Grass Starter Run challenge, monotype run. I don't know how to freaking pronounce the start of the series, honestly. Last episode we took on the two gyms, the Bug and the Grass Gym, beat them easily. Lily sweeped them with both Quilladin and Servine. Even though they weren't really my mains for what I was going for. Could have easily done it with Dartrix too, but didn't. And now we're about to go fight the Winged Sky Titan. But before we do that, let's see. Special attack, special defense, speed. Because I do want to buff... Yeah, I do kind of want my defense, though, as well. I think I'm going to give the 3 Swiftness Feathers to Bayleaf. Hopefully maybe get it faster than the Sky Titan. And that's all I can really do that wise. I was hoping to maybe raise its defense too. But basically, you can learn Fake Tears. This harshly lowers the target's special defense. Okay. But basically the plan is to bring Bayleaf out front first, because Bayleaf here knows Reflect now. We just learned it at the end of the last episode, which the Pokemon we're about to fight is... oh boy. I mean, defense is up, so we might be fine. I at least want to survive one turn to use Reflect, and then when that happens, maybe hopefully I get taken out in 2 turns, switch over to Quilladin, and start using Rollout. That's my plan, at least. For at least the beginning. And then if things go a little bit sideways, then I'll transform Dartrix into a pure flying type with Terra. Although I gotta probably save the Terra for when, yeah. Pokeball. Here, actually, hold on. Let me... no, wait, come back. Just for a little extra EXP along the way. Another battle. I mean, I guess I wouldn't mind doing another little battle quickly. Oops, I want to check Bayleaf. You just leveled up, right? Yeah, you still need like 500 XP. Yeah. Hello? I wanted you to fight the Psyduck, but... okay. Okay. Now I gotta avoid all the boulders. Save. Okay. Perfect. I saved at the perfect spot. Alrighty. Okay, perfect. That's actually fine. Right, do whatever the fuck you want to me. That's fine. I knew that was gonna happen anyways. Quilla didn't go! Rock throw, interesting. So that kind of helps me a lot. Perfect, okay. And we do the same thing once it heals up and everything. Which, there's a good chance they can also aim for Arven, so... Began eating something. Wait, no, I'm not ready. Not yet, no, wait, I need to... Wait! I'm not ready for this! Hang on, do I... Wait, check status. Do I still have the reflect up? Do I? I have no idea. How many revives do I have? I got plenty of revives. Okay, No, I think everything reset too. Okay, well, Damn, okay, so... I'm gonna try a rollout here. Oh, I can't... Oh, wait. Can I even use rollout now? I can use it for this turn, but is it even gonna let me next turn, though? Okay, I really need you to do something else here, Arven. Okay, that's fine. Okay, that's fine. Just keep attacking Neckle. Yeah, just keep aiming for them. Okay, there we go. I was a little worried there, but they never really aimed for me. I thought I would have at least had a moment to heal, but no. Good job, Quilladin. Everyone except for Bayleaf. Alright, so I'm replacing 3. Seed Bomb! That's a pretty powerful grass move. Goodbye, Vine Whip! Who's learned Synthesis? You. I just realized it's really not worth. Who's learned Seed Bomb? Is it also... You are. Just definitely a lot better than that anyways, so yes. I still think Leech Life Poison Powder is helpful. Obviously not against other grass or poison Pokemon, I guess. But yeah, we got through that Titan pretty alright. I'm gonna go Rose. And I think obviously my next objective is probably maybe going after the Dark type Team Star Boss. And then aiming for... Well, I think I'll travel to the water gym that's nearby, so I can easily fly to it, and then I'll head over towards Nemona's gym. Not Nemona, sorry. Iono, I'm pretty sure, yeah. Oh, this is where we get to learn about your sick puppy. either this or next one. Oh yeah, what power up do I get here? Is it the ability to jump high? I think that's what's next. Yeah. I know the ground Titan should be easy, but the fact that I'm also playing Violet also means that it's going to be a Steel type, so my grass moves are not going to be, they're only going to do neutral damage, which is not great. And I guess it's better than nothing. Which Steel normally resists a lot of stuff, so... So that's a stinky sandwich. Alright, so that's 2 Titans down, 2 Gyms down, and I still need to fight 5 Team Star bases. Hello, did someone say sandwich? You again? I swear Arven and Miraidon are just mortal enemies. You know, kind of looking at these... They're trying to say thanks or something. You know, kind of looking at like Miraidon and these cutscenes, like I've been literally watching How to Train Your Dragon like shows and movies lately. I've literally just finished the shows, now I'm rewatching the movies again. But I swear, Miraidon Miraidon kind of reminds me of Toothless. Oh, okay, it's water. Okay, that's fine. Now I can easily train in the water. Ooh, another sandwich. Don't you dare touch that! That isn't for you! Shouldn't have said it like that. I should probably tell you the whole story. Come on out, bud. Your sick puppy. It is a very sick dog. Chew it slowly. Maybe it was a while back. Real bad, in fact. He never really recovered. Potions didn't work? Nothing seemed to help. Not potions, not centers, nothing. Just pull a puppy. Just this scene kind of, well, reminds me of MNJ TV's Team Sky playthrough of this. Where I guess team leader Michael is like, my evil heart, I will help you with this quest to heal your puppy. If you haven't seen him already, definitely go check him out. He also does like fun little like playthrough, well, kind of playthroughs. They're like one-off videos within like the whole game. It opened its eyes. You can see. You're opening your eyes. Yeah, he's done stuff like Team Sky, the previous champion of Kanto Orange, who went through the Alola region. What was another one? I think there was definitely one with being an Ice type gym leader, also in Sun and Moon, but I'm pretty sure it was Ultra Sun, Ultra Moon, I think. There was one with, I think recently it was the Fairy types. I want to say... I don't think it was here. No, it wasn't in this game. I forget what it was, but I know it was some type of series that happened recently. I think... No, it wasn't X and Y either. No, actually, no, I think it was. Maybe? Yes? No. It had to be a... Because I remember it was... Or the gym needed a fairy type gym leader. Maybe it was Sword and Shield. No, because there's one there too. Maybe it was this game. I don't remember exactly. Yes, now I can swim in water. Okay. Which means I can jump in here! And grab this. Ooh. Air Cutter. I don't know if Dartrix can actually learn this. Well, let's see. They can. Although, I'm pretty sure they're more physical based. Just gonna check their stats out real quick. Yeah, they're more physical based anyways. It's not really worth too much. Speaking of which, I should probably switch my Pokemon around. Alrighty, so we have 3 level 20s, so let's switch everyone who's not level 20 in and out. There we go. And Bayleaf, you did a good sacrifice. I guess we could keep Reflect up for now. Might be useful later. Alrighty. Level 14 Skiddo. Oh, TM. Perfect. Takedown, okay. Could be useful. I normally like TM moves that involve other Pokemon. Actually, yeah, I think there, and then I think the Team Star Dark base is actually right nearby there. And like I said, I'll also go over towards the Water Gym Town and check that out too. See if you guys increase in levels, kind of. In fact, fights my Bayleaf. Whoops, not that. I'm gonna lead with Thwacky. Because I remember there's people that want to battle. Do 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 do. Oh my god, Charlie. Eevee. Now, if I have a recommendation on what you should evolve your Eevee into, it should be a Leafeon. I guess Razor Leaf. No reason to have a normal type move. That's only really for, wait, that was Sand Attack. No! That's exactly what I needed! Now! Well, it's definitely gonna take me a few more hits. Well, fuck it. Double hit. I only need to hit you once. Pokemon was hit one time. Grovyle leveled up and learned a move. Assurance, a dark move. Let's see, what does it do exactly? If there's anything, this move's power is doubled if the target has already taken some damage in the same turn. I guess we'll keep it for now. It's an extra dark move for now. If anything, the double stuff's not gonna really help. Because, well, Grovyle's pretty speedy. Oh. I think I just saw inside my own body. It was scary. I think we can jump out of this if I need to. A luxury ball. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, okay, we can get out this way. Excuse me, wild Pokemon. There we go. Freedom! A challenger! Oh god, I can see under the map. Yeah, gameplay's not really the best, but you know, the story is what matters. Ah, another normal type. You have two Pokemon. Razor Leaf! God damn it. Ha! You missed! I could never miss with my 95% accuracy. Maybe not eyes. Ooh. Fairy Steel? I don't know if you're Steel type just yet, but... I'm gonna go with Meowscarada on this one. Well, actually, no, wait. Oh, Dark type's weak. Fuck. Yeah, you're both Steel and Fairy. I can deal with a few Metal Claws. Oh yeah, I'm not technically a Dark type yet. I just realized. That's next level. So technically, fighting moves like that won't really do much, or Fairy moves. And for now, I'm still a pure Grass type. Leech Seed. Let's see. Don't think I'm really gonna get much out of Wrap, so replace it for Leech Seed for now. I mean, you can always keep switching out these moves if I want to. It's not like I'm stuck with these for life. That's right, get fucked, kid. Get wrecked. Alright, I'm gonna heal at this center. Actually, is the Team Dark base ahead? Looks like it. Let me see. Oh yeah, they're forward and then off to the... Okay, interesting. So they are on the way. Motherfucker. How old are you? No thank you. You on the other hand... I don't know why I still have Branch Poke. That lowers defense, right? Normally don't use this too much. Lowering it's okay. If you have double hit, Branch Poke's not really gonna be helpful. Yeah. Come on, lead with Grotle. I haven't really done much with Grotle just yet. Looking for trainers. Oh yeah, wait, did they block off the way to the city? I'm on the case. Oh, who are you, Mr. Mysterious Man? See you live. Mm-hmm. Oh yeah, we have to fucking go through their entire fucking story too. Ugh. I think this is the worst one out of the three, honestly. As you hear me clicking A in the background. Oh shit. So I might end episode soon. To Dr. Clavel? You don't seem like Dr. Clavel. Yeah, because I just got a notification too. So we'll probably save that for another episode. I'll probably also grab, or just kind of go around, do some candy stuff. I'm not going to end the episode just yet. We'll go on for 4 more minutes or so. But I think while I'm... Since I did get this, so I can easily get over here if I need to. I'll take care of that another day. Maybe we'll just go and fight the Ground Titan. Go back this way and make our way over to Iona's gym, which is more this way, yes. Which you might have another instance with, saying, oh, hey, you need to take down this Team Starbase. That I'm going to save for later. Definitely at least until after Iona's gym. In fact, I might wait till after the water gym, honestly. Okay. Do 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 do. I guess we can do some battling too. Poke Center. Why is the camera all the way back there? Do 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 do. Marine. Oh wait, you're what are you, poison water type? Well, this might be a bit of a problem. I'm gonna try this for getting some... Oh, I'm already faster than you. Okay. This does more damage anyways, so I'll take that, motherfucker. My defensive grotto. Yeah, luckily I was only planning on doing 2 episodes today anyways. Yeah, definitely want to at least make it to that Pokemon Center. Grab that, which is another ether. The Tauros are gonna hit my butt. You wanna fight too? I'll do this, get to that Pokemon Center over there, and then maybe I'll just call it an early episode. At least in this case as well, I won't have to wait so long for this episode to be exported, because I literally have to... Oh, I don't even have to use Blaze for you. Your slow is in your name. And, I mean, they might have also just started playing, so... It's not like I'm missing too much. Going over to heal. Actually, you know what? I think for the rest of this episode, I'm not going to do too much. I think I'm probably going to stop here, technically. But I do want to see what might be new in... Since I've already completed 2 gyms recently, so I actually think I get more TMs available. No, I don't want to talk to you again. TM. Okay, let's see. Nothing new there, nothing new there. That's the only new one there. Fighting. Poison Tail, which no one can still learn. Any flying? Not really, and it's not like you can really get any more. I can get a side beam. Interesting. None of my Pokemon can learn it yet, but I'll keep that in mind. Struggle Bug, getting pounds, no one. I don't even have the set for that. Dragon. You learn Dragon Claw later. Few can learn Dark moves, which is not really my worry. Metal Claw, which, if anything, that's only good against fairies. Against fairies. Huh. You can learn... Okay, interesting. Alright. You know what? I'll get to the dialogue here quickly. Just so I don't... Well, actually, you know what? No, I'll do that off camera. You guys don't need to see the dialogue, honestly. Okay, I'm going here where it's safe. Yeah, you guys really don't need to see the dialogue. Actually, you know what? The one thing I can do, though, especially since I can swim... I can just skip that. Because I thought I would have to go through the cutscene at least before going to the city. Nah. I can just go this way. See ya. I'm heading to the city real quick to heal once again. And then, yeah, I mean, we can easily take on the gym afterwards. And once I'm like at least probably around like maybe 24, level 24 with the crew, maybe then that's when I'll go over and fight Iona here. There we go. But yeah, I'll definitely look up, at least for the gym leaders, because I can always look them up. I mean, I guess I can look up the other shit too. I'm just talking about a one certain app I have that I can look up the gym leaders' levels and teams and everything. But I guess I can kind of do that with the rest of the Titans and that if I just look online. So for now, we're going to end this episode here. It's a bit of a shorter episode. It'll be easier for me to edit. I mean, it's easier normally with just the one grid up to the side, but exporting time won't be as long. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this challenge video. If you guys liked it, press the like button or subscribe to it ever. And I'll see you dudes in the next video. See you dudes next time.